A bizarre incident of political arrogance in Mumbai. A group of MLAs from the MNS and the BJP brutally beat up an assistant police inspector. The cop was thrashed by these legislators for simply stopping an MLA's vehicle on the Bandra-Worli Sea Link yesterday.
सभागृह के बाहर एक पुलिसकर्मी को कुछ विधायकों ने मारा, इस प्रकार की जो बात आई है, मैं मानता हूं कि किसी की भी कुछ भी गलती हो तो लोक प्रतिनिधि जो है, विधायक जो है, उसमें अपना गुस्सा शांत रखना चाहिए और कानून के अंदर काम करना ये जरूरी है, ऐसा मेरा मत है।
मामला क्या है? क्या हुआ?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि कल जो सभागृह में विषय निकला कि एक विधायक को स्पीडिंग के कारण जो चालान कटा था, वो चालान किस नियम के तहत कटा है, इसकी जानकारी जब पूछी गई तब उसने कहा कि ये कानून क्या है, ये दो आपने जो लगाए ये कौन से है, और उसकी जानकारी न देने पर बाद में विधायक ने कहा कि मैं विधायक हूं, और फिर वो पुलिसकर्मी बहुत रफ भाषा में बोल रहा था, जिसका वीडियो चित्रण हमने मोबाइल पे देखा भी हर एक ने। और मेरा मानना है कि बर्ताव पुलिसकर्मी का गलत था, उस पर कल सभागृह में विषय आकर उस पर एक्शन भी ली थी। उसके बाद आज आने के बाद अगर वो उसका यही बर्ताव है तो मेरा मानना है कि विधान भवन के आवार में इस प्रकार का कोई भी कृति ये समर्थनीय नहीं है।
Paulomi is joining us with more details on this story. Paulomi, what can you share with us at this point?
Well, basically, this matter is now being looked into. The cops have obviously raised the stink over this kind of behavior by legislators inside the Maharashtra Assembly. In fact, top IPS officers led by the Commissioner of Police of Mumbai, Satyapal Singh, and Himanshu Roy, Devendra Bhati. These are some of the top police officers who met with the Chief Minister a short while ago. The MLA in question as well, Kshitij Thakur, was called in as well because he seems to have a mobile recording of exactly what transpired yesterday when he was stopped, when his car in fact was stopped for speeding. And obviously there will be surveillance footage as well of what transpired within the assembly lobby today as well. So these are all of these things are being corroborated, and the Chief Minister has taken into account all of this. But the cops obviously not taking this quite lightly, taking this as an insult because their API right now is in hospital.
माननीय राज ठाकरे साहेब आता नागपुरात आहेत आणि नागपूरमध्ये विधिमंडळामध्ये जी काही घटना घडली त्याची वितंभूत माहिती राज ठाकरेंना कळाल्यानंतर ते प्रचंड संतापलेले आहेत आणि व्यथित झालेले आहेत, आणि म्हणून पक्षाची भूमिका सांगण्यासाठी मला त्यांनी सांगितलेलं आहे. त्यांनी स्पष्टपणे सांगितलेलं आहे, बाहेरचा रस्ता असो किंवा विधिमंडळ असो, विधिमंडळामध्ये कोणत्याही शासकीय कर्मचाऱ्याला किंवा पोलिसांना कोणी हात उचलू नये. आणि ते
Paulomi, this is turning into a huge political issue now, but as of now what we're noticing is that the MLAs who allegedly beat up this cop are putting the blame on the police.
Absolutely. What they're saying is yesterday, in fact, he spoke very roughly with the MLA in question, Kshitij Thakur. And today, when this issue was obviously raised last evening in the assembly itself, with the MLAs obviously standing in solidarity and seeking an explanation from the police, this police officer was in the assembly today, and they alleged that he was making provocative gestures from the gallery where he was sitting, making dismissive gestures, suggesting that go ahead, do what you want to do, I'm not blinking. At that point, the MLAs say they got enraged. They went up to the first floor where he was sitting, and in the lobby accosted him. They alleged that he pushed one of the MLAs from the MNS, Ram Kadam, who fell down, as a result of which they all pounced on him and beat him up black and blue, really. But the fact of the matter is the API right now is in hospital, and the MLAs are putting up quite a defensive front in this entire incident, standing together and alleging that they were provoked in this incident, though the IPS is not backing up as far as this incident is concerned.
Paulomi, what are you hearing from your police sources? They of course are up in arms against such kind of behavior.
Absolutely. This is quite a show of solidarity by the IPS. Within minutes, in fact, of the incident transpiring within the assembly lobby, top police officers were here in the assembly seeking a meeting with the Chief Minister. Just a short while ago, they left the assembly. So they had a long meeting where the MLA in question, Kshitij Thakur, was also present. He himself has a video recording of what transpired yesterday because he was shooting it on his mobile phone. this altercation was taking place on the Mumbai Sea Link as well. The police officer definitely had a recording of his own because he in turn shot exactly. So there is enough video evidence of what transpired. Obviously, what transpired in the lobby today, there is CCTV footage of that. So the cops were there telling the Chief Minister that they will not suffer this kind of behavior by legislators. The cop in question, Sachin Suryavanshi, was only doing his job at that point of time. The MLA was speeding at that point of time. He was driving at 100 kilometers per hour when it is mandated to drive at 50 kilometers per hour on the Bandra Worli Sea Link. So he was completely well within his rights to stop the MLA, and he was only muscle flexing at that point of time. The MLA, that's what the cops allege. But the MLAs are saying they were provoked. The MLA in question, Kshitij Thakur, did pay up the penalty. So what was the reason for him to have stopped there and alleged that he will take him up and then an FIR will be lodged? So definitely a huge altercation here between legislators and the cops.
Right, Paulomi, stay with us. We'll quickly take a listen in to the comments that have been coming in on this story.
सभागृह के बाहर एक पुलिसकर्मी को कुछ विधायकों ने मारा।
परंतु एक पुलिस वाले का इतना मन बढ़ जाए ये ठीक बात नहीं है। रोजाना हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि पुलिस के लोग मनमानी कर रहे हैं। अभी मानकुश शिवाजी नगर का एक वाकया है, 2 दिन पहले तनवीर नाम के आदमी को पुलिस के लोग ले गए और उसको इंक्वायरी मार डाला और कह रहे हैं उसने सर पटक लिया। पुलिस वाले कभी भी तमीज से बात नहीं करते, हर आदमी से रफ बात करते हैं, बहुत ही बदतमीजी से बात करते हैं। परंतु जो वाकया हुआ इसकी मैं निंदा करता हूँ, ये ठीक नहीं, मारना नहीं चाहिए, इस तरह से मारना ठीक नहीं है। परंतु मारने के लिए उकसाया पुलिस वाले।
लोकतंत्र का मंदिर माना जाता है विधान भवन, आपके ऊपर भी राम कदम ने हाथ उठाया था, इस मारपीट में भी राम कदम का हाथ सामने आ रहा है। क्या ये सही होगा? मारपीट से क्या मामला सुलझ जाएगा?
नहीं, मारपीट से मैं तो कह रहा हूँ मारपीट की निंदा है, मारपीट बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए। परंतु इसलिए तो कहा कि नहीं, गुस्सा आराम है, उकसाया इसमें उन लोगों ने, उनको इस तरह की हरकत नहीं करना चाहिए और ऐसी हरकत होने से लड़ाई झगड़ा हो गया, मारपीट हो गई। परंतु मारपीट का कि मैं समर्थन कभी नहीं करता हूँ, मारना नहीं चाहिए इस तरह।